Hi everyone, for today's video let's cook creamy sopas. When cooking sopas, first prepare the cabbage, carrots, chicken, hot dog. Now in a heated pot, let's pour some oil and toss some butter. Let's put the garlic and onions. Sorry, I forgot to mention it earlier that we should prepare it too before cooking. Now sear the chicken until brown. Pour some fish sauce, pepper, add salt to taste. When the chicken turned to brown, let's add the macaroni noodle. Mix to evenly coat macaroni with oil. Pour water to your preferred amount. In our case, we put 3 bowls of water. Cover the pot and wait to boil. Now when boiling, check the macaroni if it's tender, then put the cabbage and carrots. Then follow with the hot dogs. When the vegetables and hot dogs are cooked, let's now pour the evap milk and add some all-purpose cream. Taste the soup and add more salt if you prefer. We also put some magic syrup and MSG for the umami. It's now ready. Let's eat creamy sopas. Thank you for watching.